I think there's a special period of time. I won't say it's the critical period, meaning it doesn't work if you try to do it outside of this period of time, but there's a special period of time, which is in childhood, where a really strong connection to nature can be built. But actually, what we see in the research is that like connectedness to nature kind of um, you can get it to go higher in sort of early childhood and middle childhood, and then it sort of tanks in adolescence, and then it rebounds in adults. It's like, teenagers get wonky, and then you kind of restore your connectedness to nature. So it's certainly important to be connected to nature for all the reasons that I talked about in terms of health and mental health and well-being, and sort of developing your own connection to nature for becoming an environmental steward. You can do that at any stage in life. It's just that when parents and teachers connect kids at a younger age, it can be pretty powerful.